Bautista. De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Bautista. Bound by Manapat. Manapat. Raptors. Gutierrez. Rebound by Manapat. Manapat. Basket count. Good basket. Foul number 5. Bautista. First personal foul.
Nakainigari yung ilalim ha.
Bonus shot on Danny. On the line, Danny Manapat. Lebron James.
Naka-Lebron, no?
Lebron?
Lebron?
Yes sir, complete. Pass break.
Patay na!
Clemente.
Huli! Sure ball yan, matanda yan.
Boss Maynard, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, boss. Manapat. Rebound by Clemente.
Binigay kay best friend.
Clemente, pass break to Idol, Binanda. 2 points.
Mukhang gagawin niya nila yung galak nila ha.
47, number 47, 2 points. De La Cruz.
Patay na naman, matanda!
Clemente, pass break. Best friend, to Balarga, layup, 2 points. RJ, Bautista, Gutierrez. De La Cruz, 2. Robot, 4-3. Masyadong malayo.
Depensa. Ganun lang yun.
Idol, Arellano, bank shot,
Oh.
2 points.
Alam coach. Nakashoot kang coach, ano?
Idol,
Wala ka
2
na
points.
Ay, hindi. Nagaw. Wala.
Score 10 in favor of Raptors. Gilbert La Cruz, layup, wala. Rebound by Nestor Balarga. Di ka makalusot dyan. Meron po tayong shootout mamaya. Half court shootout. Bakarisas. La Cruz. Bakarisas. Ay! Wala.
May mga ano pa? Matatalang tira, ano ba yun? Ayun ho,
Idol, dinukot. Masyado malakas si Mamba number 23. Number 23 pass to De La Cruz. Play out. 2 points. 10-5 in favor of Raptors, guys. Bautista. Clemente. Output for 3. Wala. Rebound by Bautista. Milan Bautista.
Patay na. Lumusot.
De La Cruz. For 3. Masyado malakas. By Bobo to RJ Bautista. RJ Bautista to De La Cruz. Open for Rainbow Territory for 3.
Kaya naman pala, hindi kinakabahan si coach.
10-8 point lead.
Easy lang eh.
Kevin Arellano to Balarga, 2 points. Yung sasakpo, ready na. Sasak. Ready sa. Idol, wala. Idol to Albert Pangpod. Wala pa rin. Foul number 23, Gutierrez, substitution.
Unat-unat pa yung galing Pilipinas eh, oh.
Pasok yung mga bagong dating, kailangan pumasok. Yung mga bagong dating, kailangan pumasok. Pasok muna, pasok. Yung Barcelona, pasok na, pasok. Yung
Barcelona. Sige na, okay.
Sige.
Mamaya na lang.
Okay. Moderasyon. Astor, rebound by number 5, press from the Philippines. Dilia to Gary Manabat, tumira, wala. Rebound by Maynard. Alarga. Foul, number 26, Angeles. Second personal foul on Angeles.
Ayaw, ipitaw. Lalo yung libre, ayaw. Iyayin ka naman, hindi ka makakashoot yan.
Yun na po, dumating na po ang special gisang pansit natin. Maraming salamat, Claridad Family. Sa masarap na pansit. 13-8, last shot for number 16, Nestor Palarga. Violation number 12, we are entering team zone.
Good rep.
Good call. 13-8, 3 minutes and 33. Gary Manaba to Jam Angeles.
Ay.
Kuya Josh, Claridad.
Number friend, Merry Christmas.
Albert Paulpo, nagmamadali. Silia, wala. Lilia.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Nestor Palarga.
Kailan ang uwi? Next year, uwi na.
Nestor Palarga, layup.
Ayos. Si Gerald, April, uwi na siya. Sino? Gerald, Cortez.
Maraming salamat.
Tala niya, aso niya, dalawa. Doon, lalagi mo na siya doon. 1 year. Hindi namang ano sa ano. 1 year siya doon.
Bernabe. Pastor Paglia. Vincent Shaka. Gary Manabat. Efren Bernabe. 2 points. 13-10, Kuya Art, Rubiana. Jomer, 2 points.
Parang ano, gumawa ng trial ko yun. 4 points.
15-10. Angeles, to Manabat. Good defense by number 23. Pastor to Albert Porton. Pastor, pull-ups, 2 points. Manabat, libre, 2 points. Score 17-12. Jomer, moderation for 3. Pass break to Abder. Wakali, 2 points.
Mahabol na! Layo.
Moderation for 3. Bound by Bernabe to Villa. Villa, layup. Foul number 19. Second team foul for Raptors. First personal foul on number 19 was Mila. Meron po tayong shootout, half-court shootout. Ang premium mo ay isang bola.
Sali ka sa half-court shootout.
Half-court shootout is brought to you by
Balibag mo lang yung bola. Balibag mo. Pumasok din, pasok.
Villa, counter. 17-15, 2-point lead by Raptors. Jobber moderation to Palarga. Palarga. Foul number 9, Manaplat. First personal foul, third team foul for GOF. Charity shot on number 16. Nestor.
Pag na-shoot time out. Ayoko nga.
Pag na-shoot time out. Cancel timeout. Cancel timeout. Bernabe to Angeles, 2 points. 17-17. Chan. Dilia. Bernabe, 2 points. 19-17. 2-point lead by GOM. 8 seconds. Jobber moderation. Albert Paul for 3. Esot Palarga. 1.
Sakto po.
Sakto. It's a tie.
Pills ko lang.
After holding, second
Mas
period.
ko walang guantes talaga naman.
Score 19-19. Hirap. Pumasok na si Dennis Rodman ng Achievers. Okay. Chadidwa, Lidwa, Gagiwa. Best friend. Set shot, 2 points. De La Cruz for 3. De La Cruz for 3. Idol Kagiba. Chadidwa to Barcelona. Kagiba, 2 points. Gutierrez.
Libre. Ano ka pa? Pag libre, bitaw.
25-23.
Wow.
There's a foul. Foul Gutierrez, second personal foul. Second foul on Bobot Gutierrez. Direct, dalawang foul ka na direct ha. On the line, Dennis Rodman. On the lakas, Dennis Rodman. Dennis Rodman of Achievers. Defensive player, season 3. Boss, kung hindi tayo kulang sa pundador ha. Konsi, ano ba to? Nakain mo ito o hindi?
Nakaisa yata ako eh.
Yata nakapundador eh.
Nakaisa.
Nakarisas to Abder. Abder for 3 points. Sorry, 2 points. 2 points lang sa ball. Nakaapat. 4-point lead by GOM. Bautista to Arnel Clemente. Set shot. Found by number 99. Number 99 to Abder. Abder. Body. Wala. Idol, ayun na, pinakabantayan nito, Director. Bautista, masyado malakas, sayang. 27-23. Up there, malakas din. Bautista.
Sabi sa'yo eh. Huwag kang mahihiya eh.
Veteran group 29-23. 7 minutes. Idol. Out of bounds. 29-23. Timeout. Serve timeout. Hackers. Parang sinabi. De La Cruz for 3. Rebound by number 6 Lingua. John Lingua. John Lingua nagdadala ng ball. Pasa kay best friend. Best friend. Pinasa kay Idol. Idol. Pinasa kay Bautista. Bautista. Wala pa rin. De La Cruz. Nakawa ni De La Cruz. Pinasa kay Abner. Abner. Pinali kay De La Cruz. RJ.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
31-23.
Oo, lumalayo na.
Clemente, kay Bobot, Direktor. Direktor Bobot. De La Cruz, plus 1-3. Foul number 18. Pag na-shoot, sasangka. Pag na-shoot. Dispossession.
Yan!
Bound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. There's a foul. Foul number 47. Arellano. First foul, first team foul, substitution. Quick sub tayo, quick sub. Tumatakbo yung oras. Pero one pick, Kuya Oji. Pasok. On the line, De La Cruz. Yes, sir.
Sila, Brian.
2 for 2. 2 for 2, De La Cruz.
Natalo ulit kami.
Oh, half time, half court shot.
Wala malalo.
Leonard Pastor. Pastor, dump drive. Wala, Jomer. Wala pa rin.
Hindi, pag-asa na yung matalo itong...
Foul number 9.
Itong JOM matalo.
Manapat, third.
Kaso,
Third team foul for
makakalaban namin sa...
Time out, GOM.
And shoot from anywhere, cause in me and LeBron hair's gonna be some threes in the air. Tell the cap, falling everywhere we go, and now you know when he's slam that dunk, jumping higher so we get hyped up. That's how we know King James taking the crown, Mike Jordan games and call my kids.
Alright, maraming salamat po kay Kuya Jobin and Ate Joyce sa Pansit. Special
Pero pag wala, eh,
Pansit.
sa pantalo, wala.
Pansit
Kaya
Isado.
dami na wala mamaya. May mga sakit lang.
After the ball game, 33-25.
Injury pa
Number
siya.
5, press from the Philippines. Welcome to Ampalayo. Kuya Odi. Jam Angeles. Dilian, nabitawan ng bola. Pinasa kay Ampalayo. Foul number 19. Second, personal foul. Sab.
Injury. Wala, bumaksak siya. Hindi naman gumalaw siya. Nakatayo lang si Pastor.
Jam Angeles, libre, tumira, pasok. $35-25, Albert Pautford, running shot, demand by Angeles. Angeles, out of bounds. Yung half-court shootout natin, mga contestant.
Ako sa edad.
Ready na kayo?
Edad ka na yun. Kaya tayo.
Nestor Palarga. 2 points.
60 na yan. Sabi ko,
35-27.
test na rin. 60 na rin.
Bakarisas, nice pass.
Hindi
2
nakita.
minutes and 2 minutes and 14. 35-27. Chomer Magresyon, number 23. The hot hand, last game. Chomer Magresyon to Pastor. Pastor, Maynard. Pass to Nestor. Nestor, ang dami bumabatay. Shot clock. Albert Pautford for 3. Yeah!
Haba ba yun?
38-35. Angeles, Jam Angeles. Gary Manabat. Tumina na. Joker Impression. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Albert. Pautford to Pastor. Pastor to Palarga. Foul moves by Palarga. It's in foul number 16. Paulo number 16, Nestor Palarga. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute is brought to you by JM Photo. Bakarisas ng mga dali. Bakarisas to Jam Angeles. Wala, rebound by number 16. Number 16. Output, pasa kay Pastor. Pastor, pasabit. Walang foul. Bakarisas to Manapat. Foul number 16, second personal foul on number 16. Third team foul. Next game, Mercedes-Benz versus Alihan. Manapat on the line. Yes, sir. Basket. Last shot for Gary Manapat. Super Boom. By Angeles, 30 seconds. Chong. Pilia. Manapat. Libre. Pasok na yan. Seconds. Pastor. Pass. Number 5. Layup. Too strong. Angeles. Villa. Score 40-41.